This video will give an overview of how to pay for the device protection plan through Infinite Campus on a laptop or desktop computer. In an effort to protect families from unknown expenses that may occur from theft or accidental damage while a school district device is in the care of your student, the district is offering a device protection plan. The device protection plan is $25. To pay for the device protection plan, you can conveniently use your access to Infinite Campus that is part of your parent portal account. Once you have logged into Infinite Campus, you will select School Store. The screen will then show a tile for each of the schools your child or children attend. Select Shop, then select the tile for Device Protection. This will pop open a side window where you select your student's name in the box that says Recipient. At that point, select Add to Cart. To complete your transaction, select My Cart on the right-hand side of your screen. This will take you to the checkout page. If you have a credit card connected to your parent portal account, select that account and then select Submit Payment. If you don't have a credit card connected to your parent portal account, select Add Payment Method and you can add your information to the panel at the right. Once you save that information, you can return to the checkout screen and submit your payment.